Hi, I am Dr. Reddy from Amrutha Hospital, Karimnagar. Amrutha started with the sole aim of making latest health facilities affordable. In this long journey of 35 years, it has grown from a humble beginning in 7 beds in a rented premises to multi-specialty hospital. It has grown from single doctor to team of doctors providing various facilities. We have introduced many facilities for the first time in Karimnagar like color Doppler, 3D imaging, laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, infertility center, IVF fixing, and lasers in proctology, CTG, that is electronic fetal monitoring facility, and many other things. And now we are introducing lasers and aesthetic gynecology in our hospital. In our endeavor to spread the knowledge, we have conducted many workshops on laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, and lasers in proctology, and staplers in proctology, and infertility. Our team is always committed to provide services all hours, day and night.